Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Belly.
And I'm Mark. Today we have something really useful for you. Real English conversations that happen in the office.
Yes, if you work in an office or plan to, this episode will help you so natural when you talk to coworkers or your boss.
And stay with us until the end, because I'll share a small secret, something that can make any job feel easier and happier.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Don't skip, friends. There's something good waiting for you.
Let's start with a simple question. Belly, what was your first office job like?
Ooh, it was busy and noisy. I worked at a marketing company. Every morning, people said, "Good morning, Belly." I had to learn so many new words. Meeting, deadline, report.
Those are important. Maybe we can teach some of those words today.
Great idea. But first, tell us about your first office job.
I worked in a school office as an assistant. I answered phones, sent emails, and helped teachers prepare schedules. It taught me patience.
Patience is the first rule of office life.
Let's teach some common office phrases. Repeat after us.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Let's have a meeting.
I'll send you an email.
I need more time for this report.
Perfect.
Let's add a short story. Once, when I was new at work, my boss asked me to follow up with a client. I didn't know what that meant. I thought it was something like follow them on social media. So I followed the client's Instagram. The next day, my boss laughed and said, "No, Belly, follow up means call them again."
That's funny.
Yes, but I never forgot the meaning after that.
Many learners don't understand office idioms. Let's teach some simple ones.
On the same page means you agree with someone.
Yes, for example, let's make sure we're on the same page about the project.
Take a break means stop working for a short time.
And meet a deadline means finish work on time.
Good job, listeners. You're learning fast.
Billy, what is the most stressful part of office work for you?
Meetings. Sometimes people talk too long.
I understand. I used to feel nervous speaking in meetings. My hands shook.
What helped you?
I practiced simple sentences. For example, I think this idea is good. Or let's try this way. You don't need big words to sound confident.
That's excellent advice.
Let's give our listeners a mini speaking exercise. Repeat after us.
I think this idea works.
Let's finish this task today.
Can I help you with that?
Thank you for your hard work.
Very nice.
Now let's talk about teamwork.
Yes, teamwork is everything. Working alone is faster, but working together is smarter.
I like that.
Let me tell you a story. In my office, we had a big project. I wanted to do everything myself because I didn't trust others. I stayed late every night, but one day my computer crashed and I lost all my files. I cried at my desk. My team came to help me. They stayed until midnight and rebuilt everything with me. That's when I learned what teamwork really means.
That's beautiful. A team is like a second family.
Yes, and they bring coffee too.
Let's give vocabulary for teamwork.
Team, support, help, share, communicate.
Nice.
Belly, tell us about a funny or strange thing that happened in your office.
Oh, once my boss asked me to print 100 copies of a document. I didn't know the printer was out of ink, so the papers came out completely blank.
Oh no.
I looked at them and said, "At least they're clean." Everyone laughed.
You probably made their day.
Yes, a sense of humor keeps the office alive.
Speaking of laughter, let's teach some phrases for polite office talk.
Could you please help me?
Would you mind checking this?
I really appreciate your help.
Sorry for the delay.
Perfect.
Let's do a short mini story to practice. There was a woman named Tina. She worked at a travel agency. Every morning, she greeted her coworkers with, "Good morning, everyone." One day, a new manager joined. He never smiled. Tina still said good morning every day. After a month, the manager finally said, I started saying good morning, too, because of you. Her kindness changed the mood of the whole office.
That's such a simple but powerful story.
Yes, words can change a room.
Now let's teach phrases for small talk in the office.
Small talk means friendly, short conversations.
Exactly. Examples: how was your weekend?
It's so sunny today.
Did you see the game last night?
What coffee do you like?
Easy and friendly.
Belly, do you think small talk is important at work?
Very. It builds connection. Even saying good morning shows respect.
I agree. In my office, people who smile and say hello have better teamwork.
Because kindness is free but valuable.
Now, let's talk about how to ask for help politely.
Good topic. Many learners feel shy to ask for help, but it's okay to say, could you explain this again?
Or, I didn't understand that part.
Or can you show me how to do this?
Yes, being honest is better than pretending.
Belly, what's one mistake people often make in offices?
They forget to listen. Everyone wants to talk, but few people really listen.
That's true. Listening shows respect.
Yes. I tell my students, good communication starts with good ears.
I love that line.
Let's give another short story. There was a man named Louis. He worked in customer service. One day, a customer called and shouted at him for 10 minutes. Louis didn't interrupt. He just listened. After the customer finished, he said, I understand how you feel. Let's solve it together. The customer said sorry and thanked him.
That's a great example of patience.
Yes, listening can change anger into trust.
Now, let's talk about English words for daily office tasks.
Yes. Repeat after us.
Check emails.
Make a report.
Answer calls.
Attend a meeting.
Take notes.
Print documents.
Perfect.
Belly, what's one secret for being happy at work?
Be kind to yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn, smile, move on.
That's wise. Now, my turn. What's your secret, Belly? I think happiness comes from meaning. When you know why you work better.
That's true. A job without purpose feels heavy.
Exactly. Let's tell one more story before your big secret, Mark. A man named Peter worked in a big office. He always felt tired. One Friday, he saw the cleaning ladies smiling while mopping the floor. He asked, Why are you so happy? She said, Because I make this place shine. People work better when it's clean. That day, Peter realized that every job has value.
That story gave me chills. Respect for all kinds of work. That's real wisdom. All right, time for my secret.
Yes, we've waited all episode.
My secret is simple. Always say thank you. It sounds small, but it changes everything. When you say thank you to your coworker, your boss, or even yourself, the day becomes lighter.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. See, it works already.
You're right. Gratitude is magic.
Before we end, let's review today's main phrases.
Good morning.
Could you please help me?
I'll send you an email.
Let's have a meeting.
I think this idea works.
Excellent job, everyone.
Now, let's finish with some positive affirmations for our listeners. I am learning English every day.
I can speak confidently at work.
I respect my coworkers.
I bring kindness to my job.
Nice work.
So, friends, this was our episode, Learn English for the Office.
We hope you learned new words and stories you can use in your real life.
Remember, speaking English at work doesn't have to be scary. It can be fun, just like this conversation.
Yes, practice every day, even small sentences.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends who are learning English too.
And comment below. Tell us, what is your job and what do you say in English at work?
We'll read your answers in our next episode.
Thank you for listening.
And remember, success starts with small, kind words.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.